Hi, my name is Navid Iqbal. I'm 34 years of age. Since 2017, I was going through hair loss. It was like basically a very depression situation for me. Although I started searching about like which is the best hair clinic in Calcutta to go for, I did lot of research. I went to many clinic, but I didn't find most like comfortable things for me. But suddenly again on YouTube, I came to know about New Roots Clinic. I took an appointment and I came and visited here. It was a good journey for me, starting from the day I consulted doctor. First he saw my hair and then he seen like what kind of treatment I should go for. Then he consulted me to go for hair transplant. He gave me an appointment like which day I can come for the hair transplant. And then again I came on that day, like I was a bit nervous basically, like what it will go through, like what pain I have to bear. Like basically I've seen a lot of thing about hair transplant. Most of them have given me a negative feedback that I may have this kind of side effect, this and that. But then I have decided that I have to go because doctor consulted me very well. They understood me the process, what are the process I have to go through. So I came early in the morning at around 9:30 am. Doctor asked me to have a adequate amount of food. I came on that day and I went through a process of hair transplant. First they sterilized my hair. At that time I felt a bit of pinch of pain, but believe me, after that there was no pain at all, not a single pain I bared. I can feel that there was a transplant going on, something is pinching in my hair, but that's the only sense I can get off, but no pain as of now. It was a long day because doctor consulted me to go for 4,000 hair graft, so it took around 7 to 8 hours of hair transplant process. During the transplant, the doctor was very friendly. They kept talking me, they kept involved me in everything, that they kept asking me if your temperature is okay, that you're not feeling distress and all. Everything was very smooth, what I believe in new root transplant, or especially the doctors who did. There were 2-3 doctors who involved during the transplant, and in every second, every time they were asking me if I'm okay. After that, the best part, after transplant you have to follow the best process of the medicine. So I regularly followed the proper medicine and the PRP, and this is the result which I'm getting after 5 months. So you can see the result. I'm happy. I'm very happy with the process and I've recommended few of my friends also, and I'm surely recommend in future also. That's all.